Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I am Brian. Today I am going to be doing a wrecked open cup pour. Very excited about it. I'm hoping I can leave some negative space with this. I really don't leave a lot of negative space on any of my pours unless I'm doing a Dutch pour. So I really want to see if I can get some negative space left with this. So very excited about it. We'll see. I'm very anxious too. For those of you who have been letting my videos play in the background while you're hanging out at the house or whatever you're doing, that's really increasing my watched hours. So that's helping me climb that ladder to get up to that monetization. For those of you who don't know, I do have an Etsy shop. So I'm slowly getting my art added to there. So please head over to there. It is Brian's Upper Valley Art. My channel here is Artistry, but it's too long for Etsy, so I have to do it art. So it's Brian's Upper Valley Art. All right, everyone, enough talking. Let's get you down to the canvas. We'll talk about the canvas size and the colors. I'll be right back. You woke up Bonnie. She's trying to sleep here.
Qu'est-ce que le désir, Fofo?
Oh. Okay, so what we got here today is a 20 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. It's taped and push pinned on the back. I'm trying to use up some colors that are just kind of laying around in the studio so I can give you an idea of what they are. Some of them I do not know. I'm using a pearl violet with some silver mixed in. And this is Pyrole Red from Amsterdam. I'm using a mix that is Dioxazine purple with a little bit of Prussian blue. Really beautiful color. Deco Art 24 karat gold. Arteza's in the Bordeaux red. Can you really go wrong with Bordeaux red? And then I'm also using some Amsterdam Prussian blue. We're going to do an open cup pour today. And so since we're doing a, on a smaller canvas, a 20 by 24, really not small, but you get the idea. We're going to use a smaller open cup. So I cut the top off from a 9-ounce cup. The base coat is going to be a blue that I got off of my table. Instead of making skins lately, I've just been scraping everything back into a cup. But I am going to have to start getting skins again because a lot of my jewelry sold over Christmas. So I've got to start planning ahead now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some of this blue right out onto the canvas. See if we can stretch that out. I think we're going to start right here. I'm going to pour just a little bit of the blue around this to seal it in. Start with some Pyrole Red. Some gold. The Prussian blue. Some of the purple. Some red. Some silver. Some of the Prussian blue. Some more purple. A little bit of gold. Some Bordeaux. A little more purple. So now we kind of have a wrecked open cup pour. Only thing I'm going to need to do now is get all the sides that I didn't cover when I flooded the canvas. Okay, I'm going to leave it right here. I love the negative space. Torch it off just a little bit. You got to be careful when the torching. I don't want to create any excess cells. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys down. I'll bring you in for a close-up. All right, here we go. So, I really wanted to make sure I had some negative space left, and I'm loving it. I'm loving that it got some of the negative space in the middle of the painting too. This was really fun to do an open cup this way. Normally you just kind of pour your paint in the open cup and then you just kind of drag it along. This way I kind of tilted first, then moved my cup around. So I'll bring you in here for a close-up. So I really think this technique would be a lot of fun on a really large canvas. So, all right, everyone, I'll let you see this when it's dry. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, here is the dried result. Wow, this really dried beautiful. I've got to definitely put some clear on it. Bring these colors back to life. All right, I'll bring you in here for a close-up. So of course the colors always dry darker, but like I said, once I get some clear on this is gonna be so much nicer. All right guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, hit the notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. Everybody check out my Etsy shop at Brian's Upper Valley Art. Thank you everyone for your support. I love you guys. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.